What is low-level laser light therapy for hair loss? This is a technology that increases the growing phase of the hair cycle and reduces the resting phase of the hair cycle. It uses light energy which encourages blood flow to the hair follicles. This prolongs that growing phase. Low-level laser light therapy can be used in conjunction with medications, procedures, injections or surgery in order to encourage hair growth. When it comes to light, there are two things to take into account: power and wavelength. The key is to combine the right wavelength and the right power to get the results. Power simply refers to how strong the light is. When it comes to phototherapy, some people think that more is better, but this isn't the case. In fact, too much power can lead to overstimulation. This can result in the opposite effect. Wavelength is the color of light. We need to use a specific wavelength to encourage the hair follicles to grow. Optimal use of low-level laser light therapy is required to see the results. Think of it like going to the gym. You spend 30 minutes to an hour at the gym and you go 3 times a week. Over several months, you'll begin to see results. iRESTORE uses high-quality medical-grade lasers and LEDs. This provides the correct light put and power level to produce results. Both LEDs and lasers are safe and effective, but they both have different effects. Lasers provide coherent light. This means they're able to penetrate more deeply to provide spot penetration. LEDs provide broader stimulation to a larger surface area. The combination of depth and breadth of treatment provides the ideal environment for hair to grow. Other devices use only lasers or only LEDs. Laser caps provide less scalp coverage.